Hello students. So we have completed unit 4 and now today we will discuss the value based question and brain teasers of this unit. Now the story of value based question is today is Neha's birthday. She wants to celebrate it in a different way. So generally what we do, we invite our friends and then celebrate the birthday. But here, Neha wants to celebrate her birthday in a different way. She spoke to her parents and they decided to distribute free gifts to the children of an orphanage near their house. Now you can see here in the picture, this is the orphanage home. Now what do you mean by orphanage? Orphanage means अनाथालय, जहां पर ऐसे बच्चे रहते हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं होते, पेरेंट्स भी नहीं होते हैं, कोई बड़े भाई बहन भी नहीं होते और कोई रिलेटिव भी नहीं होता है, ऐसे बच्चों को हम बोलते हैं ऑर्फन्स। और जहां पर ये ऑर्फन्स और अनाथ बच्चे रहते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्फनेज। सो Neha spoke to her parents and they all decided to distribute the gifts to the children of orphanage. And Neha distributed gifts worth rupees 3,360 and was very happy. So Neha ने कितने रुपए के gifts distribute किए? 3,360 rupees. Now the question is, you can see here in the picture that Neha is distributing the gifts to the children of orphanage. The question is, if there are 32 children in the orphanage, what is the value of each gift? Now you know the cost of all the gifts. So what is the cost of all the gifts? 3,360 rupees. And you also know the number of children here, 32 children in the orphanage. Now you have to find out the value of each gift. Now what you will do? So as you know, the cost of 32 gifts, because 32 children are there, the cost of 32 gifts is, you know, and you have to find out the cost of one gift. Each means one gift. So many to one, what you have to do? You have to divide. जब आपको बहुत सारी चीजें दी है दैट मीन्स मैनी, 32 गिफ्ट्स की कॉस्ट आपको पता है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन, देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड. लेट अस ट्राई टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सो इट इज अ वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. Here first question, cost of all the gifts is equal to rupees 3,360 and now the number of gifts given is 32. Now you have to find out the cost of one gift. So here the cost of many gifts is given and you have to find out the cost of one gift. So many to one, you have to divide 60 divided by 32. So इनको divide करेंगे, you will get the answer. Now the next question, how would you like to celebrate your next birthday? So that is up to you. How you would you like to celebrate your next birthday? That is in a same way जैसे आप अब तक मनाते थे, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुला के, केक काट के और उनको पार्टी दे के, और in another way as Neha has celebrated her birthday. And the next question is, suggest two different ways in which you can celebrate your birthday. So that we have discussed. One way, जैसे आप बनाते हैं केक काट के अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुला के और उनको पार्टी देकर, और सेकंड वे इज जैसे नेहा ने सेलिब्रेट किया और that is you can give the things to the needy persons. नीडी पीपल को आप खाना खिला सकते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को जिनके पास खाने को नहीं है उनको आप खाना खिला सकते हैं, और यू कैन गिव द क्लोथ्स टू द people who are in need, or any other thing that you want to give. So there are two different ways to celebrate your birthday. So that is up to you. Now the brain teaser. So this is the brain teaser of both the units. That is unit number 3rd and 4th, multiplication and division, both the units, not only one unit but both the units. So first question is tick the correct answer, and that is multiple choice question. There are dash dozens in 264. तो कितने डजन हैं 264 में? So first of all you must know how many are there in 1 dozen. पहले 1 डजन में कितने होते हैं ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Do you know how many things are there in 1 dozen? So now we are doing the brain teaser. So there are 1 dozen is equal to 12. 1 dozen में कितने होते हैं 12. Now you have to find out how many dozens are there in 264. 264 में आपके कितने dozens हैं, that you have to find out. So what you will do, total आपको given है 264. You have to find out how many dozens are there. That means you have to distribute 264 in equal parts, that is of 12. आपको इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है किसको 264 को 12 12 12 12 के इक्वल पार्ट्स में. सो व्हेन एवर यू हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द गिवन थिंग इन इक्वल पार्ट्स, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू डिवाइड. सो डिवाइडेड 264 डिवाइडेड बाय 12. 12 2s are 24. So you have 24, then again 12 2s are 24. So your answer is 22. So there are 22 dozens in 264. So here the answer is 22 dozens. You can write here also if you want to write. Now 2 lakh multiplied by dash is equal to 20 lakh. So what is the difference between 2 lakh and 20 lakh? Only 1 0. So we have to add 1 0. For that we have to multiply it by 10. So that is the answer. If you want to do this, then you can see here 2 lakh. So how can you write 2 lakh? This is 2 lakh. 1 times 100, 1000 and 1000, lakh, 2 lakh. And here is 20 lakh. So 20 lakh. Now to make them equal कब बनेंगे? Right now they are not equal. How many zeros are there in 2 lakh? 1 2 3 4 5. And how many zeros are there in 20 lakh? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there is 1 0 less. So 1 0 increase करने के लिए we have to multiply it by 10. तो 10 से multiply करके इसकी 1 0 और increase हो जाएगी. So it becomes 20 lakh. Now both are equal. Next is your 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 5 is equal to. So what will be the answer when we multiply these numbers? So this is very easy. Why? Because I have already told you that whenever 0 comes in multiplication, then our answer will always be 0. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हुए कभी भी आपके कितने भी नंबर्स हो, कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, और आपका बीच में अगर एक 0 आ जाए तो आपका पूरा आंसर 0 हो जाए. दिस इज द आंसर. Now next, if divisor is 7, remainder is 3, quotient is 3, then dividend. You have to find out the dividend. I hope all of you remember that relation between these four things. Now you have to find out the dividend. You have to solve it. So divisor, remainder and quotient is given. So here divisor is given, that is 7. Remainder is given, that is 3, and quotient is given, that is also 3. You have to find out the dividend. So what is the relation? So divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So put the values. Dividend. Now substitute the values. Divisor is 7 multiplied by quotient, then remainder plus remainder. So 7 3s are 21 plus 2, that is 23. So sorry, 3, we have to add 3. So because remainder is 3, I have written 2. So 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So now let us check, is there 24? Any option? Yes, 24. So here 24 is the answer. So 24 is the dividend. Now product of the greatest 2-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So first of all, what is greatest 2-digit number? That is 99. And what is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 100. Now product, you have to multiply this. This is very easy. 99 multiplied by 100 is 9900. 99 ones are 99, and then we have to put 2 zeros. So this is the answer, 9900. And question number 2, solve the following sums. So you have to multiply, you have to see the signs and then solve it. A part is of multiplication, B is again of multiplication, then division, and then division. So you have to do it yourself, do practice. And here this question is also very easy. What you have to do is you have to just solve it. Most of the part is given, you have to do, fill these blanks. So this is also very easy. Just solve it as you are solving, और आपको ये blanks जो हैं ये आपको automatically आपके आ जाएंगे. Here star divided by 60 is equal to 10. So मैं किस चीज डिवाइड करूं कि आपका किस नंबर को 60 से डिवाइड करूं कि आपका आंसर आ जाए 10. So this is the divisor. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this to, so 600. अगर मैं 600 को 60 से डिवाइड करूं, then our answer will be 10. You have to multiply these two. So यहाँ आ जाएगा हमारा 600. 600 divided by 60. So 60 ones are 60 and 0 is 0. So 10. This is the answer. You have to multiply these two. 60 tens are 600s. Now divide and check your answer. Very easy. First of all divide these two and then check your answer. जो हमने relation अभी हमने किया था, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend, उससे आप check कर answer. Next one is given that 270 multiplied by 15 is equal to 4050. Find the product. So here it is given 270 multiplied by 15. And you know what is the table? Table में क्या होता है कि हम multiplication is in repeated addition. Suppose 7 5s are 35. So what will come next? 7 6 ja. 7 6 ja क्या होगा? तो what we have to do is we have to add 7. तो 7 6 जा, क्योंकि 5 टाइम्स प्लस करने पे 35 आया है, तो फिर मैं प्लस करूंगा तो क्या आ जाएगा 42. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 3 plus 1 is 4, 42. अगेन 7 7 अगर मुझे निकालना है तो मैं फिर से इसमें 7 प्लस कर दूंगा, तो मुझे आ जाएगा नेक्स्ट 7 7 49. So that means addition is multiplication is repeated addition. सेम थिंग मैं अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीट करता जाऊंगा तो मेरे पास नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल आता जाएगा. तो सिमिलरली 270 15s is given. You have to find out the 270 16s. So 270 15s 4050 is given. 4050 is given. Now you have to find out the 270 16s next number. So what you have to do? You have to add 270 to it. So this is the 270 16s 4320. आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी यही आंसर आएगा, बट द क्वेश्चन इज दैट ये आपको क्यों दिया हुआ है, व्हाई दिस इज गिवन 270 15s आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज आपने नेक्स्ट निकालना है तो आप सिंपली 270 ऐड करेंगे तो आपको इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. तो यू कैन इजीली फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट बाय एडिंग 270 टू दिस. एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज 270 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 14. तो आपको 15 से पहले वाला नंबर चाहिए, तो 270 15s 4050. Now 270 14s आपको चाहिए. So what you have to do? आपने पीछे जाना है, तो that means आपको minus 270 करेंगे तो you will get the answer. So 8 and this 7 and 3. So 3780. Because here it will become 15 and what will left over here is 9 and here 3, so you will get this answer. So 3780. In this way you can find out. Next is, what is the total cost of fencing 275 plots of a land if the cost of fencing one plot of land is given? So here, which type of question is this? Here total costing of fencing 275 plots of land is given. Sorry, you have to find out what is the total costing. So cost of fencing of one plot is given. One plot is given and you have to find out the cost of 275 plots. That means many plots you have to find out. You have to find out the cost of many plots. Try to understand this question. What is the total cost of fencing 275 plots? That means 275 plots की cost आपको निकालनी है and the cost of fencing one plot of land is ₹950. One plot की cost आपको given है. तो one plot की given है, many की निकालनी है. One to many में आप क्या करते हैं? आप multiply करते हैं. So multiply these two, you will get the answer. Now fill in the blanks. This is based on what you have learned. So 7612 multiplied by dash is equal to 40 multiplied by 7612. ये हम थर्ड क्लास से करते आ रहे हैं. हमारे दोनों साइड को क्या होने चाहिए? सेम नंबर्स होने चाहिए. Then only the product will be equal. So 7612 is on both sides. What is left is 40. So 40 will come over here. Now next is, whenever we multiply any number by 1, we will get the number itself. तो नंबर खुद आ जाता है जब मैं 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ. So 89,210 multiplied by 1 is equal to 89,210. Next is same what we have done in the first question. दोनों sides को same numbers होने चाहिए. So what is missing over here is 515 is written here. It is absent, not present here. So we will write here. Now what is left over here? 18 is there. 515 is there. What is missing is 5. Now 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 8,000. 8,000 में से 1 less कर दे. So what is left is 800. So we have to multiply it by 800. 800 multiplied by 10 is 8,000. 176 डिवाइडेड बाय डैश इज इक्वल टू 176. तो मैं किस नंबर से इसको डिवाइड करूं कि मेरे पास 176 आंसर आ जाए? सो 1. जब मैं किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करूंगा, सो आई विल गेट द सेम आंसर. एंड यू ऑल नो, जीरो आंसर कब आता है? जब मैं जीरो को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करूंगा, देन द आंसर विल बी 0. इफ 85,715 डिवाइडेड बाय 35 इज दिस, 85,715 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस, दैट मीन्स इन दोनों को अगर मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो मेरे पास क्या आंसर आएगा? then I will get this answer. So 35 will come. आप कर सकते हैं इनको divide, you will get this answer. Now 7542 divided by 1000. That this is the oral question that we have also done. जब हम 10 से 100 से 1000 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so what will be the answer? जितने zeros होते हैं उतनी हम लेफ्ट राइट साइड से डिजिट्स को रिमूव करते हैं, and that is our remainder, that is 542 is our remainder, and the quotient is जितने digits हमारे बचे हैं, that is our quotient. So 7 is the quotient. So now our unit is finished. So in next video we will do the next unit, or we will start the revision. Thank you.